Ryan, are you wearing the same old sweater again? Maybe it's older than our school. Don't you have anything new to wear?
Please stop. I know my clothes are old, but I come here to learn, just like everyone else. Please let me pick up my books.
Ryan, don't worry. I'll help you. Everyone deserves respect, and nobody should be treated badly because of what they wear. So now you're his hero. Why don't you buy him some new clothes, too? Maybe then he can finally fit in.
Being kind doesn't cost any money. A good heart is worth much more than expensive clothes, and everyone should remember that.
Good morning, everyone. Can someone tell me what happened here? I hope this hallway is filled with kindness, not laughter at someone else.
I'm okay, Mrs. Carter. I don't want anyone to get into trouble. I just want today to be a normal school day.
Ryan didn't do anything wrong. He was only walking to class. We should never judge people because of their clothes or their family's money.
Ryan, come sit with us today. Friends learn better together, and nobody should feel alone in this classroom.
Every class needs one more player for the basketball team. I hope someone new will have the courage to join.
Ryan, can you play basketball?
Ryan, I saw you looking at the poster. Do you like basketball? You don't have to be afraid to tell us. We're your friends.
I really love basketball. My dad taught me before he got sick. I stopped playing because I didn't think I was good enough anymore.
Then let's practice together after school. We don't care about expensive shoes. We only care about your effort and your smile.
Practice all you want. Old clothes and old shoes won't help you win any basketball game. Don't listen to those words. Strong people don't become strong because of their clothes. They become strong because they never give up.
You'll see. Basketball is much more fun when friends cheer for you instead of laughing at you.
When someone is hurt by unkind words, the best medicine is not anger. The best medicine is friendship, patience, and kindness every single day. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every great player started by missing many shots before making the first basket.
I'm sorry. Maybe Jack was right. Maybe I'm just not good enough to be on the team after all.
Swish!
I knew you could do it. Today wasn't about scoring one basket. Today was about believing in yourself again.
Our basketball tryouts will be this Friday. Everyone is welcome to join. Remember, teamwork and respect are just as important as winning. I really want to join the team, but I'm afraid everyone will laugh if I make mistakes in front of the whole class.
You won't be alone. We'll practice together every day. Real friends don't laugh at your mistakes. They help you become stronger.
They can practice all they want. There's no way Ryan will ever make this team before I do. See? Even I make silly mistakes every day, and I'm still smiling because basketball should always be fun.
Don't rush. Bend your knees, keep your balance, and let the ball leave your hands softly. You're improving every single day.
I finally did it. I didn't think I could make that shot. Thank you for believing in me when I couldn't believe in myself.
You know, confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows a little every time you choose to keep trying instead of giving up.
If Ryan joins the team, everyone will forget about me. I have to make sure that never happens.
Good morning, everyone. Today is not only about skill. I want to see teamwork, respect, and encouragement. Those qualities make a real champion.
Everyone looks so good. What if I disappoint all of you? Maybe I should just leave before my name is called.
I hope you don't trip over those old shoes. It would be embarrassing if everyone laughed before you even touched the basketball.
Jack, confidence is good, but kindness is even better. Great players respect every teammate instead of making someone feel small. Take your time. Don't rush. Believe in your practice and do your very best.
Now it's your turn. Just play the way you practiced with us after school. I'm sorry. I got nervous. I don't think I can do this anymore.
Forget the last shot. It doesn't matter anymore. Focus on this moment, trust yourself, and show everyone the brave person you've become.
Excellent job, Ryan. You stayed calm, trusted your practice, and never gave up. That's the kind of courage every student should learn from.
How did he improve so quickly? Last week, he could barely make one basket. This doesn't make any sense.
Now we'll test ball control. Remember, speed is important, but control is a len more important. Stay focused and help each other.
My ankle.
Jack, are you okay? Please don't move too quickly. Let me help you stand up before you hurt yourself even more.
After everything I said to you, why are you helping me?
I know how it feels when people laugh instead of helping. I don't want anyone else to feel that kind of pain. Today, Ryan showed us what real strength looks like. Strong people don't hurt others when they get the chance. They choose kindness instead. Ryan, I'm sorry for making fun of you. I judged you because of your clothes, but today you showed me that I was completely wrong.
Thank you for working so hard this week. I am proud to announce that Mike, Ryan, Jack, Emma, and Ben will represent our class in the school tournament.
I guess we're teammates now. I hope we can work together and help our class win the tournament. Winning is important, but trusting each other is even more important. If we play as one team, we can overcome any challenge together.
My ankle still hurts a little. I'm afraid I might slow everyone down during the tournament.
You helped me become your teammate today. Now let me help you recover. We'll practice together until you're ready.
Instead of practicing only shooting, let's practice passing and teamwork. Great teams win because they trust each other, not because one player scores every point.
See? If we can laugh together, we can play together.
When I was young, the strongest teams weren't the fastest. They were the teams that always protected one another. Remember this, children. A team is like a family. When one person falls, everyone helps. When one person succeeds, everyone celebrates together.
Play with courage, respect, and teamwork. No matter what happens today, make your class proud.
They're really fast, but we practiced hard together. Let's stay calm and keep believing in ourselves.
I'm trying my best, but everything is happening so quickly. I don't want to let our team down today.
Don't look at the scoreboard. Look at each other. We win one pass, one basket, and one moment at a time. I'm sorry, everyone. I missed another easy shot. Maybe I'm not ready for a game this important. Ryan, remember what you told me when I got hurt. One mistake doesn't decide who you are. Keep playing, because we still believe in you. That's it. Keep moving the ball and trust every teammate on this court.
Look at them. They aren't just playing basketball anymore. They're showing everyone what teamwork and kindness really mean.
I finally believe in myself again, because all of you believed in me first.
You don't need a hero. You already have a team. Trust each other one more time and enjoy every second of this game.
Ryan, trust yourself. We've got you. I scored. We did it together. I never thought this moment would happen. Thank you for believing in me every single day. This basket belongs to all of us. Every practice, every mistake, and every encouraging word brought us to this moment together.
Everyone, I need to say something. I judged Ryan because of his clothes, but today he taught me that kindness, courage, and hard work are worth much more.
Thank you for saying that. We all make mistakes. What matters most is learning from them and becoming better people.
Today, I want to give a special Fair Play Award. This award is for a team that showed kindness, respect, forgiveness, and true friendship.
This trophy doesn't belong to one person.
It belongs to everyone who chose kindness instead of judging someone by appearance. I'm proud of every one of you. Winning a game is wonderful, but winning someone's heart through kindness is a victory that lasts forever.
Good morning, Ryan. Do you want to practice basketball together after school? I'd really like us to become even better teammates.
It's funny how everything changed because people finally opened their hearts.
People may notice your clothes first, but they will always remember your kindness. Choose kindness every day, and you can change someone's life forever.